Long-standing BVI environmental activist Judith Ann Toll has donated $25,000 to the dialysis unit at People's Hospital through a memorial fund she established in her late husband's name at the Community Foundation of the Virgin Islands. Toll presented a check to Minister for Health and Social Development Ronnie Skelton during a ceremony on June 25th. She also spoke highly of the dialysis unit's professional care and treatment given to her late husband, Dr. Edward L. Toll, during his frequent visits to the territory.
During the last 3 years of Ed's life, he suffered kidney failure and therefore required tri-weekly dialysis treatment. Initially, we thought that Ed's BVI days were over because we did not know initially, although we did soon learn that the BVI did have a dialysis clinic and that its services could and would be available to Ed during his periodic travels to the BVI. The very professional and caring treatment Ed received at the dialysis clinic during those years was not only critical for his physical well-being, but also his emotional well-being and the quality of his life. If Ed had been denied frequent travel and contact with his beloved Caribbean during those last years, he would have indeed died a very sad man. But having access to the treatment he needed in the BVI made all the difference.
The $25,000 donation will be used to purchase an additional dialysis machine at People's Hospital. Dialysis is needed when the kidneys fail to remove waste, salt, and extra water to prevent them from building up in the body. That dialysis unit at People's Hospital began in 2008 with 12 patients, but today there are about 50 individuals on dialysis. Minister Skelton described the donation for the dialysis machine as an asset for the treatment of patients. He also said that families who have relatives on dialysis should consider kidney transplant as an option.
We have also make arrangement for kidney transplant. We are encouraging families and relatives who have loved ones on dialysis to make that ultimate sacrifice to see if they can get some level of kidney transplant for a dialysis patient, because living on dialysis for the rest of your life is not a good living. So we have done a couple of cases, and we have a couple more in the pipeline. So while we do these things, we recognize that there will still be people coming for dialysis. So this gift that Judith and Dee Brown presented to the Minister to the Health Services Authority is a meaningful gift in order for us to continue to treat those patients who need to be dialyzed.
There are currently 46 patients on dialysis at People's Hospital. 11 stations are being used with 1 standby. Treatment sessions for most people are 4 hours per session, 3 days a week. The cost for treatment varies between $5,000 to $7,000 per month for each patient. Only 13 of the 46 patients currently receiving dialysis are covered by health insurance. Minister Skelton also called for greater public and private sector partnerships and advocated for more donations, such as scholarships, equipment, and services.